Alright, let's do this. This is a simplified way to play your favorite theme, Super Mario Bros. So I know some of you might be craving for this. I'm going to show you how to play this in a few minutes and then make it very easy for you. So the key is C, literally on C, but they move to other keys. The starting is this. So what is my right hand doing? So that is the melody. I like this movement. So that's the first one. While the left hand is doing, then the harmony comes in on the 5th of C major scale. Then the same movement here. So if you combine it together, did you see that? Then the next part, you must make sure you end here. The whole thing is falling like this. Did you see that? Then we are jumping. The right hand first from this part is a sequence on the scale of C. I'll play it one more time. Left hand will be playing. Combine it together. So that's the second step. Third step begins here. A rest on the bass. You see that? Then the left hand will be playing this. Then the next one is this. You see that? So this is my favorite part. So the left hand is going to be playing a key related to the parallel minor, which is E flat of C major. So the parallel minor is this. So you're going to play. So that's everything. So let me play together. Then we are back to the beginning. Then you go back again. So again. So that is where I'm going to stop this section from. The next section will be in my next video. See you.